Falls, considered the beginning of Little River Canyon. Little River Canyon runs completely along the top of Lookout Mountain, one of the few rivers to do so. Lookout Mountain is in East Tennessee, Northwest Georgia, and Northeast Alabama. Let's listen to this fall.
This is a look at the falls from one of the overlooks that they've set up for people. This is probably, well, I don't know, maybe a half mile downstream. Pretty good look. The man-made structure above DeSoto Falls was one of the first hydroelectric dams constructed in the state of Alabama. My friend got a real good look here at this man-made structure. I thought the stonework on this bridge was really special, so I just thought I would share that with you.